Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. If you're looking for a user-friendly and comprehensive consent management platform, you're in the right place. Cookiebot is designed to help you enhance your website's cookie compliance with ease. It offers customizable consent banners, an intuitive dashboard, and detailed tracking reports. Join us as we analyze its features, customer support, and pricing to help you figure out whether Cookiebot CMP is right for you. Don't forget to check out our website at bestreviews.net for more information. And now let's dive in and see what makes Cookiebot stand out. Over to you, Saskia.
Cookiebot is a consent management platform that helps users enhance website cookie compliance with global privacy regulations like GDPR, e-privacy, and CCPA. Its tools make creating consent banners effortless, from setting up a free account to personalizing a consent banner to your heart's content. Getting started is simple, as you just have to provide an email, create a password, and click on the verification link sent to your inbox. Then, when you log into your admin account for the first time, the platform asks some questions to determine your requirements, but you can skip this step if you want to and go straight to the creation of your consent banner. After this, we were welcomed by a well-designed dashboard displaying the available resources, and overall we had a joyful experience using the platform. We especially enjoyed the fact that every section concisely explains how each resource works. These clear explanations allowed us to navigate the platform and learn the ropes with ease. To get started, you need to add the domain name of the website that you want to enable cookie consent. Then, Cookiebot scans the domain for trackers daily or monthly, depending on your choice. In up to 24 hours, you're able to see an overview of the cookies and trackers that Cookiebot has discovered by scanning your domain. Unfortunately, there isn't a mobile app. Still, for mobile app compliance, Cookiebot offers a solution through its sister product, User-Centric CMP, which provides consent management for native mobile apps. Cookiebot's numerous features help simplify cookie compliance and user consent management. Creating and tailoring the design, content, and placement of a consent banner from the user-friendly interface is completely straightforward. To start, choose a predefined legislation preset for the privacy law you want the banner to be customized for. Then comes the fun part, choosing the layout, design, and compliance details. The banner can be displayed as a dialog or bar. You can also select dark or light mode and customize the colors. Plus, it's possible to upload your logo. If you have coding skills and prefer to freely design your consent banner, you can do so using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. After that, it's time to set the compliance details. You can choose to display explicit or implicit consent and select the type of consent, such as accept only or do not sell or share. It's even possible to choose the distribution, which is the location of visitors who will be asked for consent. With the design all set, it's time to edit the consent banner's content. We found it useful that you can select a default language alongside auto detection, so the banner automatically matches the user's preferred browser language. The content is already predefined according to your chosen legislation template, which saved us precious time, but you can still fully edit the text if you want to. The last step is to tailor the privacy trigger, a small icon that enables users to easily check or update their consent. You can change the icon's colors, position of the trigger, theme, and how the cookie declaration is presented on your website. Plus, the automated cookie declaration with descriptions on every cookie and tracker saves time and resources. Then, your banner is ready for implementation. Cookiebot CMP allows you to automatically detect all cookies and trackers and employ various blocking methods until explicit user consent is obtained. It also supports Google Consent Mode and the Global Privacy Control. Additionally, the platform automatically collects consent records through a secured SSL connection and stores the data with strong key encryption. This information is centralized and can be safely exported. What's more, Cookiebot seamlessly integrates with multiple platforms, including Google Tag Manager and other CMS platforms such as WordPress, Wix, Shopify, and more. Cookiebot offers several affordable options, including a free plan, which allows up to 50 subpages and is limited to one domain. Still, top-notch features such as multi-language support and automated scans are only available on one of the 4 paid plans. All of these include the same features, but the difference lies in the number of subpages. The good part is that you can see the benefit of premium features for yourself before opening your wallet with the 14-day free trial. Plus, since all plans are billed monthly, you can cancel anytime, but you will be charged for the entire monthly subscription period. Moreover, Cookiebot accepts PayPal and all major international credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, JCB, Discover, American Express, and the Danish credit card Dankort. Cookiebot truly shines when it comes to user self-support. You'll find a convenient FAQ section that quickly helps you navigate the platform's resources. There's also a handy help center filled with well-written articles on setup, configuration, subscriptions, and more. These articles often include step-by-step instructions that are perfect for getting you back on track if you hit a snag. Plus, a blog keeps you updated on the latest news in data privacy, consent management, and data-driven marketing. The only downside regarding Cookiebot's customer service is that it doesn't provide phone support. Still, there's a helpful chatbot that answers questions quite accurately. If you still need help, you can always submit a ticket to Cookiebot support.
Thanks, Saskia. All in all, Cookiebot provides excellent cookie consent banner creation and customization tools inside an intuitive dashboard. The detailed tracking reports are neatly displayed and the seamless CMS integrations are easy to handle. All of this is complemented by exceptional customer support. The slight drawbacks are the lack of a dedicated mobile app and the fact that some customization options are only found in the paid plans. Even so, with so many top-notch features, Cookiebot is perfect for small and medium-sized businesses looking for hassle-free privacy compliance management. If you want to discover more about Cookiebot, check out our comprehensive written review at bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!